Hello everybody, we just finished the digital show and we are really happy about that what happened on stage. We will show you some ideas from our collection Boost. And the idea behind Boost is boost your hair for boosting your life.
Hello, I want to talk about my haircut from stage. In our collection Boost we work with different lengths. So the mullet style will be elementary in our collection. It's a modern style to have more texture with the length. So I cut it in the back with up layering, so I have the length and much texture on the top. And the sides will be shorter and a stronger fringe with really texturize it, not that geometrics, but light movement. So let's talk about the hair color. Paul?
Okay. Now I will tell you something a little bit more about the hair colors. A very special one. As I told at the stage, she told us her hair is a party. So I think it's a really nice party she had with us. So take a look to her hair. I want to focus you on a very special section, the front section. It's a half circle. We took the 9N at PK with 15 drops of the pure yellow. It gives a very shiny, very elegant, mellow yellow style. And in the side sections we see the illuminated rosé from the color range styles. And it's a little bit funky, it's a little bit party, and I hope you enjoyed the look, the color, and she too. Thank you.
Thanks guys, this was our collection Boost we showed before on stage. We hope you liked the looks.
Thank you and stay tuned on YouTube.